I was in the food industry, what am I looking to do? I want to sell you more food. That's all I want to do. Now, how can I do that? I can manipulate the chemical structure of their food so that it now becomes not fulfilling, but empty, but gives the impression when they very first ingest it that it is the most fulfilling thing they've ever had.
Nothing else does it in your brain quite like a Diet Cola. And that's because there's a deadly combination there of aspartame and caffeine. And those two together create a very unique blend of excitotoxin that kills off brain cells. But before they die, they have this excitement that's like a buzz. So what you find with the Diet Cola addicts is that they'll drink sometimes a liter, 2 liters a day, and particularly women do it as a way to keep their weight down. They don't eat, they just have the next buzz of Diet Colas.
Aspartame causes formaldehyde buildup in the brain. It causes frontal lobe inflammation.
Migraines can be a common one. Visual disturbances.
Symptoms that mimic multiple sclerosis. There's headaches, there's neurologic problems.
Seizures in more serious cases.
Cognitive problems, and can in fact lead to different types of cancers.
Actually, most pilots are aware that they can't drink diet sodas because it's well recognized within the pilot association that you just don't drink this because it can really cause severe aberrations in your vision that will potentially lead to problems with your flying. If you look at the studies that examined the toxicity of aspartame, done by Dr. Walton, of the 90 studies that were done that showed that there was no side effects from aspartame, over 90% of those were funded by industry. And you have almost the same number of other studies that were independently funded, finding the exact reverse, 90% of them showing problems with it.
Some of the artificial sweeteners have been proven not only to have horrific side effects over a long period of use, but they cause carbohydrate cravings. So when somebody has a diet drink and they're wondering why they're not getting thin and why they're craving even more carbohydrates, it's because those substances have been very, very carefully designed not to help you. They're into just selling and marketing.
So yeah, there's 0 calories in diet soda, but studies have shown that if you drink diet soda, within a couple of years you will be fatter than when you first started drinking the diet soda.